Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. By the touch of Lord Nrsimhadeva's hand on Prahlad Maharaj's head, Prahlad was completely free of all material contaminations and desires, as if he had been thoroughly cleansed. Therefore he at once became transcendently situated, and all the symptoms of ecstasy became manifest in his body. His heart filled with love, and his eyes with tears, and thus he was able to completely capture the lotus feet of the Lord within the core of his heart.
Sa tat karasparsa dhuta akhila asubha sapadi abhibhakta paratma darsana tatpada padmam ridi nirvika dadho hishattano klinna ridu aslocha. Sa Prahlad Maharaj tat karasparsa, touch of the lotus palm of Nrsimhadev, the same palm where there is nails, tavakara kamalabari nakham adhuta sringam, the same palm with nakha adhuta dalita hiranna kashiputano bringa, immediately with the nails only. The Lord did not require any weapon to kill this gigantic demon. Simply nails, tavakara kamal. The example is very nice. Kamala means lotus flower. The Lord's palm is just like lotus flower. Therefore, in the lotus flower it is very soft, very pleasing. How the nails came. Therefore, adhuta, tavakara kamale, adhuta, nakham adhuta sringa. It is not possible to grow some ferocious nails, piercing nails in the lotus flower. This is contradictory. Therefore, Jayadev says, adhut. It is wonderful, it is astonishing. Therefore, Lord's power, exhibition of power and softness, they are all inconceivable. Srila Jiva Goswami has explained, unless you accept inconceivable power of the Supreme Lord, there is no understanding. In achinta shakti. Achinta means inconceivable. You cannot speculate how it is happening. How in the lotus flower there is so hard nails that immediately within a second it could kill a great demon like this. Therefore it is achinta. We cannot conceive. Achinta. And the Vedic instruction is achinta kharuje bhava natastakina jujaye. Do not apply your poor logic in the matters which is inconceivable by you. There is no logic how lotus flower can grow there. There is a mythology. Because they cannot conceive within their poor brain, they cannot accommodate how things happen like that. They say myself, not myself. It is fact, but it is inconceivable by you or us. It is not possible. So that's the same Karakamam was put on the head of Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Alhadadayini. Prahlad Maharaj was feeling, oh, how blissful this is. Not only feeling, but immediately all his material unhappiness, pangs disappear. This is the process of transcendental touch. We can have the same facility in this age. It is not that Prahlad Maharaj became immediately jubilant by the touch of the lotus mouth of the Lord. You can have the same benefit immediately if we become like Prahlad Maharaj. Then it is possible. Krishna is Advaita. So, in this age, Krishna has descended in his sound vibration form. Kali Yuge Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. In this age, because this fallen man in this age, they have no qualification. Manda, everyone is bad. Nobody is qualified. They have no spiritual knowledge. Don't mind, in your Western countries, they are very much puffed up with material knowledge, but they have no spiritual knowledge. Perhaps in the history, for the first time in the history, they are getting some information of spiritual knowledge. Otherwise, there was no spiritual knowledge. They do not know. That's a fact.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.